All right, welcome to the first AI scenario, and this one is called Emails Are Boring, Send the Droid. So in this scenario, I'm going to show you how to use AI to process your email faster and how to write better replies faster. So productivity experts practice something called inbox zero, and what this means is that every single day you clear your inbox to 0 emails, which means there are no emails sitting in your inbox unless you're waiting for someone on something. And anything that gets replied, and AI can help you do all of that faster. So how do we do this? Well, here's how we handle emails with AI. The first thing is we provide it with context if necessary. We feed in the email that we received. We tell the AI how we want it to respond and what that should be in the response, like we have to provide some content. And then we see the output, and then we adjust it if needed. So let's take all this, let's hop over to Claude, and let's process some email. Okay, here we are in Claude, and I'm actually going to paste in an email that I received the other day from a friend. So I need some help replying to this email. My name is Aaron. I write a blog that features content related to personal productivity, time management, business productivity, and so on and so forth. Can you please help me draft a short and professional reply to this? All right, and the email was this. Hey Aaron, I was thinking about our conversation the other day and was wondering if there's any reason you recommend Claude over ChatGPT. And this is an actual email that I got the other day. So let's paste this in and see what Claude comes back with. All right. Hi Mark, thanks for following up on our conversation. While both Claude and ChatGPT are impressive tools, I find Claude particularly strong for productivity and business use cases. I especially appreciate its ability to handle complex analytical tasks, maintain context through long conversation, provide nuanced, thoughtful responses. In my experience testing both Claude and Excel tasks, so on and so forth. That said, I believe both just have their place. Yada, yada, yada. Happy to discuss in more detail. All right, so this is pretty much what I wanted. It's a short and professional yet friendly email reply to this. But let's say it's too long. Let's say I want it even shorter. I would say, thanks. This is a bit too long, actually. I actually just want to say that I prefer Claude because the responses are more consistent and the output is more useful for my use cases. So this is an example of iterating over a response that the AI is given. Hi Mark, I prefer Claude mainly because I find its responses more consistent, the output more useful for my specific needs. It actually really just took what I said and put it there, which is fine because I wanted a short professional reply to this anyway. And you'll notice that in my prompt, I did provide a context here, though if I skip this, Claude would still have output a pretty good response. And I made a specific ask. And of course I provided the situation, which was the input email. And that is pretty much it for using Claude or using AI to reply to emails. You know, if you have more specific needs, you can add in the context. You can change this context to saying I'm replying to a vendor, to a client, to a business partner, to an internal stakeholder. You can say that I am an analyst, a writer, a managing partner, or whoever it is you are. And the AI will output an email that is relevant and contextual for your particular situation. Okay, to finish up this particular lesson, I want to provide you with a little bonus tip, which is that you can ask for replies in different languages. Now, this is especially useful in languages where the written language is different from the spoken language. As an example, my girlfriend often has to reply to business emails in Japanese because that's related to her work. So she speaks Japanese fluently, but she finds that replying in written business Japanese takes a lot of time and a lot of brain power because it's quite a formal language. And what she does is she will take an email she's received from, say, a client or a customer in Japanese, and she will write down the reply informally in English and then ask the AI to output a business Japanese email response for her. And I've been told that the output is actually very, very good compared to, say, someone sitting down and writing it themselves. And it definitely takes a lot less time. So that is it for using AI to speed up your email processing and for writing better replies.